This episode delves into ambient energy harvesting fabrics that harvest solar and kinetic energy to power wearables anywhere. Experts explain how flexible photovoltaics and piezoelectric fibers could turn clothing into self-charging sensors for daily life. In a near-future scenario, a commuter's jacket powers a phone, GPS beacon, and health monitor during a full workday. Real-world pilots from sportswear brands and hospitals show reduced charging cycles, lighter electronics, and more resilient connectivity. The episode weighs environmental trade-offs, data privacy, and accessibility as these fabrics move from lab to living rooms.